lot doing here at MarineMax at Dallas. And we're staying here on board a boat we just took in on trade. It's a 2017 Bennington 22SX. So 34 hours on the boat. It's basically new. So everybody's looking for the pre-owned boats. This is usually what they're looking for, which is really a new boat that has a couple hours on it that they can pay a used boat price on, which is basically what this is. So it's a 2017 center walk-through floor plan, wraparound seating front and back. It does have 150 horsepower Yamaha on it. The owner did install a grill on the back of it. It does have the flip-down ladder. It also has a stern fill-in seat. That seat will also fit in the bow really well also. So lots of seating, nice layout, does have a kicker audio system in it, does have a Garmin fish finder in it, has one of the biggest in-floor ski lockers you'll see really on any pontoon, especially pontoons in this size range. So just a really nice piece. And it is absolutely clean. The boat really has nothing wrong with it at all. Owner traded it in because he just wanted a boat with more horsepower. So if you've got any questions about this or any of the other used boats we have online, or new ones for that matter, pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, come in the showroom and see us. We look forward to talking to you.